welcome back to Watch Live. Today we're on Pompano Beach. Beautiful day, flat calm waters, and today we're going to be showing you 2 ways how to throw an 8-foot net. It's a little bit of a bigger net. I'm not the biggest guy, so if I can do it, then you probably can. So if you're throwing an 8-foot net, then you probably know how to lace up a cast net. So I'm not going to go over that. So first up, you just and put it like a foot or 2 down of the horn, and then get it about halfway, like that, and put it all in this hand. You just want to split it up into thirds, okay? So this is the first third, okay? And this is the hardest part right here. You just put it under your arm, like this, and over your shoulder. And then I'll show you that again. Under your arm, over your shoulder, just like that. And replay that if you don't get it. And then after that, you see 2 lead lines right here. You want to grab the one that's closest to you, and you don't have to put it in your mouth, but you could just hold it with your pinky. But I like to put it in my mouth because I feel like it opens a lot better. So go like that, and then you get the next third. So what you see, I just split it up into thirds, 1, 2, and 3. So you just have that. And then with this, you put it in your mouth, and then you grab it like this. And then with these 4 fingers, just grab this third right here. And the net's already open, basically. Okay. And one thing you have to know, when you're throwing big nets, it's not about muscle, it's about momentum, how much momentum you get. So if you have to do a spin, that's perfectly fine. Just make sure that you get it on target. So like, I'm gonna do 1 spin. And that does not get any better.
Yeah, it doesn't get better than that, man.
It cannot get any better.
Wow.
I think that was the best thing I've ever done in my life.
Hey, let's see that again in slow motion. All right, and he got a glass nose, so we've got a great snook bait here. That we weren't trying to catch that; it just happened to be. So we're gonna go put this in the bucket. Lorenzo's gonna reload. Look at all the bait fish we just caught: pilchards, glass nose, croakers. Blasting this net.
Do that again. I think I can open it better.
Oh yeah, you're gonna open it better.
So let's see one more time. So right now I'm just lassoing it up. While you're ready to finish lassoing it up, again, about 1.5 feet, and then you go about halfway, I would say. Halfway right there. And right here, make sure there's no tangles getting out. Now we have 2 in the mouth. Okay. There. Just like that. I sit when I do it.
It's all right. It still opened up.
Dude.
Oh, yeah, that's gross.
What is that?
That was either squid or something disgusting. Chicken liver.
Number 2.
Way number 2.
Same thing. Just 1.5 feet. You always just want to have 1.5 feet. Halfway down, just like that. All in this hand. For this one, everything's gonna be in this hand. Everything's gonna be in this hand. Okay, so next, again, you want to get about 1/3. And get about 1/3, just like that. And then here's the hardest part. The hardest part right here. You see, I have an open hand. You want to put everything right here. Put that 1/3 into the open hand, just like that, and just make your fist. But now you have to roll that fist over. So let me show you that again. Open hand, make a fist, roll it over. Okay? So now everything is on this hand, and you have a nice bang or whatever on it, and then you have 2 lead lines. You have 2 lead lines, just like the other step. Grab the one that's closest to you. Grab the one that's closest to you, and just put it in this hand again. And remember, everything's in this hand. So you want to do this. You want to do that again. 2 lead lines, one that's closest to you. Instead of putting it in this hand, you want to just make a loop right here. Let me show that again. Just grab it down here, make a loop, just like that. Okay, now this one, it requires momentum and strength because you're just launching it, honestly. And so I'm gonna do a spin, and then this thing is the last thing you want to let go of. Okay, so.
Yeah, I think it's this one. Yeah. Oh. Let go of the rope. Let go of the rope. Is the fish on?
Oh, it's a houndy.
Houndy. Well, that's a great little video. In our cast net video, I'll go ahead and take over narrating. That ain't going anywhere. Well.
I got distracted, that's why.
He got distracted. That's a big houndy.
Nice houndy.
Yeah, let's let him go. Oh, do you want him? Oh, okay. All right, son. Back to cast netting. Okay, guys, real time. There's a bait school. There's a bait school right here. And Lorenzo is going to show you in real time what this looks like as he pursues his bait. So I'm going to narrate for you on this one. There's a bait school swimming across our fishing lines kind of right in front of us, I think. Method number 2. All right. Well, it's something.
It'll get the job done.
It will get your job done. All right. Lorenzo's in pursuit of bait fish now.
Oh,
Yeah. See him? Oh, he's toast, man. That croaker's toast. Unless he gets underneath. Nope.
What?
Nope. He must have got underneath. Big dog. Let's see. Hold on. Where is he? Here. Right in front of me. Right in front of me. Right here. He's right in front of me. Throw right in front of me. Yeah, you got him. He's in the net. Did he get underneath? Oh, he got underneath. Oh, Lorenzo, right here. 3 croakers. Yeah, right here. Yeah, I mean, if you don't have pole right here, right in front of me. Oh, you missed. They were on the outside. Oh, there's one in there. There's one in there. Yeah, you got him. Get it. Pull. There we go. Big boy. Dude, that's tarpon bait right there. Yeah, that's all right. That right there, guys, is a bait fish. Dude, that's bigger than the redfish you caught in Chuckaluski. He almost got away. That right there is a
Should we try to eat it?
What, catch and cook? Come on.
Yeah.
Bait, man.
Okay, so we got the croaker on the hook. How big do you think that croaker is? 7 inches? 8 inches?
He's bigger than a lot of snapper we eat.
Oh, well. There's a croaker right there.